Snokor iRocker TWS Earbuds by Infinix with up to 4 hours playtime, Bluetooth v5.0 launched. Snokor iRocker by Infinix have been launched as the company's first true wireless, TWS, earbuds under the Snokor brand. They come with a goose egg design that provides a secure and comfortable fit, the company says. They have a claimed battery life of up to 20 hours with the case and also come with a water resistance rating. The Snokor iRocker feature hi-fi, high-fidelity speakers and a dynamic bass boost driver. They come in 3 color options and will be available for purchase in the country from next week via Flipkart. Snokor iRocker price. The Snokor iRocker by Infinix have been priced at 1,499 rupees and will go on sale starting July 31st via Flipkart. They will be up for sale till stocks last. The Snokor iRocker come in 3 color options, namely black, blue, and white. Snokor iRocker specifications and features. The Snokor iRocker TWS earbuds have a goose egg design that the company states provides a secure and comfortable fit as it has 3 points of contact. They have a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz and Infinix says they have hi-fi, high-fidelity speakers and a dynamic bass boost driver. The earbuds are made from PU with titanium coating and are lightweight at just 4.6 grams each. The Snokor iRocker use Bluetooth v5.0 for connectivity and come with IPX4 water resistance. This will protect the earbuds against sweat and accidental splashes. These TWS earbuds have a 40 mAh battery capacity in each earbud and can deliver 4 hours of playtime or 4 hours of calling. The charging case packs a 300 mAh battery, which the company claims can charge the earbuds 4 times for a total playtime of 20 hours. The Snokor iRocker by Infinix have a claimed charging time of 1.2 hours while the case is said to charge completely in 1.5 hours. The earbuds have a multifunctional button that allows you to control your music, answer or reject calls, or activate a voice assistant. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.